Hi, I'm John Horn. We do concrete as a living, but once in a while we run across some asphalt repair work on jobs that we've damaged the asphalt. And we pick up this product, Easy Street Asphalt Patch, and we found that it works without fail. Fill the hole, rain or shine, and it should last forever. Basically, you open the bag up, just lay it in the hole, empty it out, and it actually starts moving around, breaking up, and you rake it in place and then tamp it. As you can see, it's very soft. It's very pliable. It's actually moving around. Just feather the edges in. Then I'm going to take a tamper, whack the edges. And I think we're ready to tamp now. This is a little 10-pound beater, and you just stomp it a few times and it puts it right in its place. And we got one little patch here. It's full of water, but this stuff will stick and last forever. And this is how we patch potholes in California with Easy Street Asphalt. Hey, we did this patch this summer. It was eroded away from last winter's rain. We put in about 5 bags of Easy Street Asphalt, and it went down real easy on a hot summer day. You can put it down in the wintertime when it's raining and wet, and you'll get the same results. Thanks, Easy Street.